This is what my project maps look like. I just wanted to drag your eyes across it before we begin. For the first few workbooks, I give specific step-by-step instructions for completing each task. The goal is to get you comfortable working in Excel. Let's begin by creating a project folder. I'll place mine on the desktop and name it Extreme XL. Open the Extreme XL folder, New Workbook. Right-clicking anywhere in the Extreme XL folder and select New, followed by Microsoft Worksheet will create a new workbook. I'll name the new workbook EEWB1. Now, we can download the project and data file from the Extreme Excel web page. Right-click the View the Project Map Here link and select Menu Item Save Link As. Select your project folder, then click the Save button. Again, right-click the Download the Data Here link, select Save Link As, select your project folder, then click the Save button. Open the workbook by double-clicking the icon in the project folder. Rename the worksheet by double-clicking the tab name, then typing the new name, Results. Create a series of labels for months and quarters. I type Jan in cell A1, then drag the cell handle down to populate the rest of the months. Again, I type Q1 in cell C1, then drag the handle down to create the series of quarter labels. I'll create random values between $20,000 and $50,000 for the months in columns B using the random between function. Again, I'll copy the formula down by dragging the cell handle. Use the random between function to create quarterly sales between $100,000 and $200,000, then drag the formula down. Select columns D and B, then click the $sign to format the values as dollars. Convert formulas to values, by selecting columns B and D, then right-click and select Copy, followed by right-click and Paste Options Values. This is what our final view will look like. Import the downloaded data as a new query from the Data menu. Import the data by clicking Menu Item Data, New Query, from File, from CSV. Select the downloaded CSV file, click the Open button. Click the Load button to import the data into a new worksheet. Let's see if we have months and quarters in our headings. If not, we'll need to create them from the order date. Copy the order date and sales columns and paste them in column H on the Results tab. Select the order date and sales columns, hit the Ctrl+C keys to copy. Go to the Results tab and select cell H1, hit the Ctrl+V keys to paste. Insert two columns between order date and sales. Name these columns month and quarter. First, make sure that column H is formatted as a short date, rather than a numeric value. Now, click on column I, the sales column, right-click, and select Menu Item Insert. To repeat the last command, hit the Ctrl+Y keys to repeat the Insert command. Type the month and quarter headings. Bring in 3-character month formula and quarter formula. Copy the formulas down to the last order date. Create 3-character month using the text formula, type equals text, select order date, a comma, then type MMM in quotes. Create quarter formula by typing equals Q in quotes, ampersand, round up, month, select H1, divided by 3, comma 0. Be very careful where to place the parenthesis. Copy the formulas down to the last order date. Convert month and quarter formulas into values. Select month and quarter columns, right-click, and select menu item copy, right-click again and select paste option values. Delete our mock-up monthly and quarterly sales values. Replace with SUMIF formula for final results. Select columns B and D, right-click, and select Clear Contents. Enter the SUMIF formula in cell B1, by selecting the cell followed by clicking the formula icon. Type SUMIF in the search, double-click the SUMIF function. Select month columns as range, cell A1 as criteria, and sales column as sum range. For quarters, I'll type =SUMIF directly into the cell, then select the quarter column as range, C1 as criteria and sales column as the sum range. Copy these formulas down to the last month and quarter. Convert SUMIF formulas into values and we're done. Now, we have answered our questions regarding sales per month and sales per quarter. Convert formulas to values, place the cursor anywhere within the data, hit the Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar keys to select all of the data, right-click, select copy, right-click again, select paste option values. Now, formulas have been replaced with values.